Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to insert the SIM card and the micro SD card into the Samsung Galaxy A06. So let's begin the video. First, we need a SIM ejector tool which you can get in the retail box. After that, hold the Galaxy A15 5G like this, and on the left side top, you will see the SIM tray outline and a hole. Take the SIM ejector tool and insert it into the hole and push a bit. SIM tray will pop up. Gently pull it out. This is the SIM tray for the Samsung Galaxy A06, in which we have 3 slots, which include SIM 1, SIM 2 and a dedicated slot for the micro SD card. So let's begin with the first SIM card. Here, now take the SIM 1 and place it here like this. Make sure the contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. To insert the second SIM card, place the SIM 2 in here in such a way that the contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. To insert the micro SD card, here you can place the micro SD card. So take the micro SD card, place it here like this in such a way that contacts are facing up and the notch matches the tray. Once you are ready, hold the SIM tray like this, insert it into the phone carefully. Gently push it and make sure it is properly inserted. It may take a while to detect the network. Once it's detected, it will redirect you to the SIM card manager page here, and you can set the default SIM preference for call, messages and mobile data. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.